So you've scored a Zalando gift card. Amazing! Let's get that shopping spree started by showing you exactly how to redeem it and save some money. First, head over to the Zalando website or open the Zalando app on your phone or tablet and start browsing for those must-have items you've been eyeing. Fill your cart with all the clothes, shoes, and accessories your heart desires. Once you're happy with your selection, it's time to check out. Click on the shopping cart icon, usually located in the top right corner, and then proceed to checkout. You might need to log into your Zalando account at this point, or create one if you're a new user. On the order summary page, look for a section labeled gift card or promo code. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it's usually clearly visible below the order total. Click on the field and carefully enter your gift card code, making sure you type it correctly, including any capital letters or numbers. Double check you transcribe the code correctly. Even one wrong character can cause it not to work. Once you've entered the code, click apply. You should instantly see the value of your gift card deducted from your order total. Now complete your order and enjoy your new goodies, all thanks to your amazing Zalando gift card. Happy shopping!